Hello my friends, how are you doing? It is time to celebrate because after a little bit over 2 years my channel has finally reached 20,000 subscribers, and most of all I want to thank you for that because you are the ones who made this possible, and I'm really humbled and inspired to see so many people who are interested in art, who want to learn, who want to fulfill their aspirations for creativity and art with their pictures, with their photo editing, with all the creative projects that make in Affinity Photo. And on my Facebook fan group, I can see so many amazing inspirational posts that people post there from their works and from their ideas. So this is really, really awesome. And we have come together a long way. When I started 2 years ago with an old laptop, no camera, and like not really any good equipment, just starting out to do the channel, and now we have grown so much. I think I have become better and more professional in what I do, and also better understand the needs of my community and how I can help you. So, and I try to improve that. A lot of additional things have happened, like my monthly creative packs and the live streams I do, and the Facebook group, and also the mini live streams I do in my Facebook group, the weekly exercises, so much additional stuff that we do together to go along this artistic journey, to improve, to learn from each other. This is really a great thing, and I hope this also keeps progressing for a long time and we keep growing together as a community and as a channel. So this is really amazing. Let me tell you a little bit about myself maybe. So when I started out with the channel, I was giving a guest lecture at the university. Back then it was about game development and how to reach people on the internet about your artistic message. Because after all, a game is not just entertainment. A game is a work of culture and art, and it gives you a lot of joy in your life, and sometimes you even learn something from video games. At the same time, I found a love for teaching. I really enjoyed support them. I can point them in the right direction. I can give them some help to realize their dreams. I thought maybe I should do that online because I can reach a lot more people without the need to go to a university, without the need to pay anything, without the need for me to be physically around. So it's time independent, it's location independent. And also is another dream this channel realizes for me. This is that I always wanted to be in the art business, but at the same time create something that is not expensive, because what I studied is fine art. That means you create very expensive art pieces for the high society who can afford to pay 5,000 or 10,000 euros for a piece. These prices are not even too high because you have to imagine that each of these works has to be done by hands, and it takes a long time to create them and a long time to build the skill to create them. So for me, I always felt like this is not how culture should be. Ideally, I want to give to the people mostly for free, and this is what a YouTube channel can do, because now I have a business that is sustainable. I can live from it, but at the same time 98% of my content is free for everybody around the world. And this is important not only for people who can't afford this kind of education, but also people who are not near any kind of institution to give them this kind of education. So I'm not saying I'm a professional education that replaces a university or anything like that, but I'm saying I'm helping a little bit. I'm giving you starting points. I give you some knowledge that can help you improve. And maybe that's even enough, because a lot of people who watch my channel are hobbyists who don't need all of the things you learn for a university degree. They just want to have fun, enjoy themselves, and make their art a little bit better and see how they can realize their artistic dreams and ideas and the kind of artistic visions they have, where they say, okay, this helped me to really get better in that area. And this is good. This is amazing. This is also culture and also very, very important for our society. So I'm so happy I can combine these two things. And over the time, also in these 2 years, I have shifted from being mostly a designer and working for customers again where you pay thousands of euros for just one project, to be a mainly professional YouTuber. I still have some of my customers left, but mostly now I concentrate on YouTube, which still is professional design because I create these pictures together with you. I create the creative packs, all these kind of things. And of course, I still work for some of my customers. I even thought about maybe I should offer web design and other design jobs to my community if they enjoy the things that I'm designing. For example, if you look at my website, oliviotutorials.com, if you think that's a good design, maybe I could do something for that like you, for you. But that's not the main focus in this video. To have more artistic freedom, to just wake up in the morning and say, hey, I want to do a video about that. Let's look at my Facebook group. Let's look at the comments I get on YouTube and see what people need and how I can help them around the world. Or you make a live stream and then you have people from everywhere, from Canada down to Malaysia, from India and Russia, from China and Australia, from everywhere around the world, from Europe and all these kind of places. I learn a lot of things also from them. So that's really amazing to come together. And like the time we are living in, where you as a small YouTuber go online and you can connect people from around the world through the streams, through the videos, through the Facebook group. All of that is amazing. And we have this structure out there. And like I said, most of that is free, which is the most fun for me, that I can give you that much benefit and educational material. You don't have to pay anything for that. I really, really like that. I really enjoy that. And yeah, again, I want to thank you for being interested in my channel. I hope I can help you. I hope you get from my channel what you need. And yeah, join the community where we can be closer together. I asked also in the community, what kind of things do you need? And like with my mini live streams, ask people to ask me questions, to give me kind of ideas for new videos on understanding, to help the community better, because that's important to me. Okay, so thank you for being part of my community. Thank you for being the person who wants to improve their life and their art. And yeah, let's go on to the next 20,000 subscribers. Maybe we reached it in a shorter time. So let's see. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.